In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money to Moonshot. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option over here that says Holdings. Then you will be brought to your menu. Go ahead and press on this option over here that does say deposit. Now we actually have multiple different ways that we can go ahead and deposit funds onto Moonshot. So obviously we can go ahead and use something like Coinbase, but we could also use our debit or credit card. So all you gotta do is you gotta go ahead and press over here where it says Coinbase, and you guys could use something like a credit or debit card or even crypto as well. And in some areas in the world, you could also do a bank transfer. You could use Robinhood or PayPal as well. So that's honestly really cool. And obviously you want to go ahead and select on the balance that you're trying to actually deposit funds to. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and deposit some Solana. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on that. Anyways, guys, from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on how much money you want to deposit to Moonshot. And by the way, the minimum amount of money that you need to send is $5. So $5 or above will get the job done. But anyways, guys, once you selected on the amounts, go ahead and do a swipe to deposit, just like so. For this video, I would use Coinbase, but you could obviously use your bank account or PayPal or Robinhood. The choice is really up to you. And basically, you need to go ahead and press on confirm if you do have enough funds. Now, unfortunately, I don't actually have enough funds, so that's a little bit sad. But if you do have enough funds, then you should be able to do this smoothly. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.